Welcome back my channel. Imagine cruising into the future with a car that pays homage to the past while pushing boundaries of technology and performance. The 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 captures that exact spirit. It's a rolling lab, a high-performance hydrogen-electric hybrid designed to blur the line between concept and production. From a design perspective, the N Vision 74 draws heavy inspiration from Hyundai's 1974 Pony Coupe concept, transforming retro lines and sharp angles into a modern performance vehicle. The silhouette is low and sleek, with a wedge-like front end, flared fenders, and futuristic lighting elements giving it a distinct, aggressive presence. Its stylistic roots tie it to Hyundai's legacy, while every detail from the air intakes to the rear wing is optimized for cooling, aerodynamics, and visual drama. Under the skin lies a bold technological mashup. The N Vision 74's powertrain is a hybrid arrangement combining a hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric system. At the rear axle, two electric motors deliver more than 500 kilowatts of combined output, using power from a 62.4 kilowatt-hours battery. Up front sits a hydrogen fuel cell stack that delivers roughly 85 kilowatts, with potential peak output of 95 kilowatts to supplement the battery or recharge it. The hydrogen is stored in twin tanks holding 4.2 kilograms mounted over the rear axle. This setup yields exciting performance targets. The concept claims a driving range beyond 600 kilometers, a refill time of about 5 minutes for the hydrogen system, and a top speed north of 250 kilometers per hour. The balance between battery and fuel cell, managed by an integrated control system, allows the car to adapt power delivery depending on driving conditions. For handling, the N Vision 74 uses torque vectoring via twin motors, enabling precise control in corners. Though launched originally as a concept in mid-2022 during Hyundai's N-Day event, the N Vision 74 has increasingly moved toward production plans. In 2023 and 2024, Hyundai publicly confirmed that this halo model would be part of its real product roadmap, as part of a broader ambition to bring 21 new electric or electrified performance models by 2030. Limited production volumes are expected, with reports suggesting perhaps just 100 to 200 units built. Some leaks even claim the production version could push toward 800 horsepower combined. What makes the N Vision 74 especially compelling is the narrative it embodies. Hyundai isn't merely chasing electrification, it's experimenting with how hydrogen and battery systems might coexist in high-performance vehicles. The car pursues the best of both worlds, the instant torque and regenerative advantages of an electric drivetrain, paired with the fast refueling and extended range of hydrogen. Inside, the interior remains driver-centric, with a minimal layout, motorsport-style seating, and a focus on performance feel rather than luxury frills. Design cues nod to Hyundai's N identity, blending legacy elements with modern materials. Heat management is a major engineering challenge, especially in a hybrid of this nature, so the N Vision 74 employs a 3-channel cooling system to keep the battery, electric motors, and fuel cell all operating within optimal ranges. From a storytelling perspective, launching a car like the N Vision 74 lets Hyundai stake a claim in the future performance space. It's not just about speed or zero emissions, it's about pushing innovation, redefining what a performance car can be in a changing energy landscape. For press, auto fans, and the YouTube audience, this car is a gold mine. You can dive into design philosophy, drivetrain schematics, track impressions, and comparisons to rivals. If you were to make a YouTube video about the N Vision 74, you could open with the visual drama of its retro-futuristic form, transition into a breakdown of how hydrogen and battery power work together, and then tease what it might feel like to drive one once production begins. Interviews, if available, with Hyundai engineers or designers would add depth. Overlaying animations of the energy flow, cooling system, and torque vectoring would help audiences visualize complex systems. And you can close by reflecting on the implications. Will hydrogen ever reach mass infrastructure? Could this car signal a high-octane future where hybrids are performance tools rather than compromises? In summary, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 isn't just a showpiece. It is a bold experiment in marrying performance and sustainability. As production edges nearer, it offers a vivid glimpse into how automakers might balance power, range, and emissions, and where the next frontier of driving thrills may lie.